Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Plus. The first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And then, at the bottom of the charging case, we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. And near to the port, we have the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. The second option is to use your phone to charge your earbuds. And we have two options how to charge it using your phone. First, I will show you the first one, and then later I will show you the second one. So the first one is to use an adapter USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one to the USB-C port at the bottom of the charging case. And as you can see, we have the LED light, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this, and I'm going to connect USB-C cable to the charging case, and USB-A cable I will connect to PC. But you can connect to another device with USB-A port. And now let's check the LED light, and we have it, so it also charges your earbuds. Also, these earbuds support wireless charging, so we can use or reverse wireless charging by your phone or wireless charging station. So let's check the second one. Firstly, I just put these earbuds to the wireless charging station. We see the LED light at the charging station, but the most important, again, that we see it at the bottom of the charging case. And now the second option, as I said, is to use reverse wireless charging, but your phone should support this technology. So you need to go to the settings, then to the battery. At least on stock Android we have it here, so here is battery share. You need to enable this mode, then turn over your phone and put your earbuds here. You need to find good position, and we need to check the LED light, and it also works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.